Sometimes I need to quickly spot check a measurement, like how acidic or basic is a solution. Other times I need to collect and analyze many data points over time so I can look for patterns during an investigation. Let me show you how PASCO's wireless pH sensor with display makes it easy for students from kindergarten through college to measure the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. The wireless pH sensor with display is rechargeable, and it comes with a charging cable. The white sensor box is splash resistant, but avoids submerging it. Remove the probe from the storage solution before use, but make sure that you replace it when not in use to keep the probe hydrated. When you turn on the sensor, its default measurement is pH. You can long press the power button to turn the sensor off, or leave it on and it'll turn off by itself after an hour. If you have ever had acid indigestion or stomach ache, you may likely have taken an antacid to relieve it. We can use the wireless pH sensor with display to quickly see how the antacid reacts with stomach acid. I have some cranberry juice here to represent the stomach acid, and I'm going to remove the probe from the storage solution and rinse it. The probe tip should be submerged into the liquid completely. You can see that the cranberry juice is quite acidic. But what do you think will happen to the pH of the solution after we drop in our antacid? We can see the pH beginning to rise, meaning it's neutralizing the stomach acid, in this case, the cranberry juice. As we've seen, you can use a sensor independently, or you can connect it to PASCO software like SparkView, Capstone, or ChemView. For this demonstration, I'll be using SparkView. Again, going to rinse off my probe, pat it dry. And connect my sensor. Once you are connected to the software, the sensor can record and display data like other wireless sensors, so you can experience the data visualization and analysis of your choice. I'll choose the quick start experiment called pH of common substances, where the pH readings can help me identify how acidic or basic various chemicals used around the home can be. So first I'm going to type in the substance names. So we're going to start off with a sports drink, and then move to some window cleaner, and then wrap it up with some soapy water. All right, I'm going to start collecting data. I'll select the check mark to record the pH readings in the table, and then move to the next row. Before I move into the next one, I'm going to rinse my sensor probe again, pat her dry, place it into the substance. Ah, that's different. So now I'm going to select the check mark again, quick rinse, and then let's see what our pH of the soapy water is going to be. All right, interesting. Then I'm going to stop collecting data. So did any of these surprise you? Any of the results? Visit the product page linked in the description to learn more about the wireless pH sensor with display, including specifications and links to lab investigations. Thanks for watching.